Is your dryer grinding or your washer banging? Those strange noises aren't just annoying, they're your appliances crying for help. Loud banging, metal on metal grinding, and constant clicking are the most dangerous sounds, signaling an urgent problem. Did you know that catching these issues early can save you over 50 on repairs? Here in Abbotsford, our coastal humidity puts unique stress on machines, causing specific warning sounds. Don't wait for a total breakdown. Learn to decode every hum, buzz, and clank by reading our full blog post, linked in the description. And if you need expert appliance repair help in Abbotsford, call Abbotsford Appliance Repair Pros today.